Hello creators, and welcome to Rendora Academy. Today, we'll learn how to edit scenes in Rendora. In 3D content creation, scenes aren't just about making things look good. They're the backbone of how your message comes across. Whether you're working on a big event, showcasing a product, or putting together a training video, the way you set up your scene can really make or break the impact of your 3D content. Rendora gives you the tools to easily edit scenes, whether you want something simple or a more intricate setup. All you need to do is head over to the 3D generation section, click on Studio, and filter for the editable ones. Whether you're working with horizontal scenes like the triple screen stage, dual screen stage, or stylish broadcast, or vertical scenes like sitting in an indoor setting, you can easily edit each of them. Now, we'll move into the practical steps of editing your scene. When you're planning a product launch or a large-scale event, the Grand 3-screen stage is sure to deliver an impressive visual impact. To edit the side screens in this setup, simply click the edit icon in the top right corner of the preview area. This allows you to upload content for both side screens. Keep in mind that the side screens use a 16:9 ratio, while the main screen uses a 21:9 ratio. So, when uploading content, make sure it matches the screen dimensions to ensure the best display. If you're working on a brand promotion or training session. Again, to edit the content on the side screen, click the edit icon in the top right corner of the preview area. Don't forget that the side screen has a 9:16 ratio, while the main screen uses a 16:9 ratio. Make sure not to mix them up when uploading content. For videos like educational courses or knowledge sharing, many creators prefer stylish broadcast studios. It allows for easy scene changes, and you can adjust borders and filter elements to give the content more visual depth. Lastly, there's the seated vertical scene, which is a favorite for more interactive content, like live stream shopping or product demos. Just like with the stylish broadcast studio, you can easily customize the background, borders, and filters. But what's cool about the setup is that it also lets you edit the foreground and products, making them stand out and drawing your audience even more. That's a wrap for today's scene editing tutorial. Go ahead, try it out yourself in Rendora, and see how you can make your scenes shine.